friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan, and I'm going to be doing some work in my December daily again. Today I'm going to be doing day 20, 21, 22, and 23 all together in one video because 22, well, we'll get into all that. So let's go ahead and just jump in and start. Okay guys, so I decided to go ahead and switch to a voiceover for this video. I did a lot of rambling again, and I just thought I'd spare you from that this time around. So I had these two Elle Studio journaling cards that came in the Document December kit from Elle Studios, and I love them. And these two specific cards really inspired me to make Christmas cookies this year. So it's something that we typically do as a family. We do a traditionally ever since I was a kid, we've done, making cookies and decorating them. So this year we were not going to do that because of COVID. And because that specifically because of that card, and I really wanted to use it, I'm like, you know what, sis, can we get together? We'll social distance, we'll do, wear masks, all that good stuff. So that is really where we're going to be spending the bulk of our time, is using those two journaling cards and making a layout for that. Now, in this video, I am skipping day 20 because it is supposed to be game time. Day 20 is going to be done at the end. I'll actually do it with day 24 and 25 because on Sunday, my friends are coming over and we're going to do a game night. We were going to do it on last Sunday, and my friend got a little tummy ache, so she wasn't able to come over. So we are going to head and do it this time around, this Sunday. So again, super safe, all that good stuff. So I am going to do the way that I'm going to do the spread is similar to the way that I did a couple of them. I'm going to do the top half is going to be the 21, which is hot cocoa, and then the bottom half is going to be 22, which is cookies. So I have this cute, my sister did this like cute little bar, little hot cocoa stand bar thing. So I have a picture of that, and then of course I have that really cute journaling card, and then I have a picture of my hot cocoa that I made for that thing. So one thing I need to mention for this particular layout is you can see that the pocket pages I'm using both have the 4x6 and then two 3x4s. Well, the pocket page on the right hand side is actually upside down. So I did that intentionally because I wanted to break it up. I wanted to have the 4x6 on one side and then the 4x6 on the other side, and one on top, one on bottom. But since I didn't have a page protector that had that, I just decided to flip it, do it on the bottom, and then I will just tape the page in, and you can't even tell. So just to give you an idea that, you can always flip them around if they're not in the way that you want them to be, in the orientation that you want them. All right, so I thought it would be cute for the cookies. We did it simple. I actually went over there late on Tuesday, and so, and she's in San Diego and I'm in Orange County, so it was a little bit of a drive, but I did it after she got off work. So we just wanted to keep it real simple. So she just got the frozen, already pre-cut, out of the bag kind of things. So I just made a cute little recipe of preheated the oven. I took the cookies out of the bag. I placed them on a cookie sheet, just gave the little directions, quote unquote, and then I have a picture of the little packaging that we used. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just creating that journaling card. I did decide to use that little sticker that says special recipe, just because, again, I wanted to use as many of those stickers as I can. So that is going to be that. I did mess up here, and I did a number 6, and I didn't want to do that. So I just took another sticker and covered it. And then I decided to add in that cookie, that little cookies on a plate, and I'm just going to put that kind of in the middle of the page there on the bottom. And then I think I would add one more sticker to the bottom, if I'm not mistaken. And there it goes. All right. So now that that journaling card is done, I wanted to do some, just add some stickers to some of the pictures. So that little picture right there, added a sticker there. And then I was thinking about adding that little sprinkled sticker, but I thought that was too much. And then I have this really cute journal card, again, also from Elle Studios. So I wanted to include this little journaling card in there. So I decided to go ahead and cut that up. And really, I did that because I wanted to kind of break up. There was a lot of pictures on this page. So I just felt like I needed at least one of the boxes to have a little cute element to it. And then again, in I just totally went blank on what I was trying to say, but in the spirit, that's what I'm just trying to say. The spirit of using as many stickers as I can, I decided to go ahead and stick a couple stickers on those stick a couple of stickers onto the pictures in the front, and then I stuck this little sticker that I think it says Our Tradition or something like that. And then I'm just going to add some dots to the sides. And you can see that picture that I'm actually, that's underneath that little card, it's actually a 4x4 picture that I just cut into 2x2 squares so that I could put it behind there. So it's one full picture. And I liked that picture because it kind of showed that we were doing some social distancing and things like that. So that is good. And then similar to what I did for day 15, I'm going to go ahead and adhere that onto the pocket page, just so it becomes a little bit of a flip instead of actually being on the page itself in the ring binders. And then I wanted to add a trusty Dollar Tree replaceable or removable, repositionable, that's the word I was looking for, little tab there. So I just did that at the top. And then I needed a journaling spot or a little spot to put my number. So again, I'm going to be using this little card. I think I can probably throw that card away. I think I've used it. I don't know, I might want to cut up the little strips that are left and put them as little labels things. Okay, so now I need to figure out if I want to do it horizontally or vertically. And I decided to go that way because I felt like the 22 looked better lined up. So I'm just going to stick that little 22 on there. And then I take one of the little cookie heart circle or cookie shapes and stick that on there. And then I think it says Cookies for Santa on that one sticker right there. So yeah, I feel like I used quite a few of those I'm happy about. And then there is that one done. So now we're going to work on day 23, and this one's going to be a fairly quick one. Well, I said that in the video, and then, 35 minutes later, I finally got it semi-done. So I have this picture. This picture is a picture of my scrapbook that I did for my kid. I only did year 1, and I decided, because I couldn't find the picture that I wanted to use there, I decided to just take a picture of the picture that I had, and then I also took a picture of him with Santa Claus, and that is going to go in the middle of this little section right here. And I'm really happy with the way that it's turned out. I'm glad that I decided to use that picture because, it just kind of reminds me of not only that his first Christmas, but it also is that I scrapbooked it and things like that. So yeah. So I feel like my my scrapbooking abilities have improved slightly since then. So it's just interesting to see how I have evolved as a crafter. Yep, and I really wanted to do this specifically this year because my kiddo is 21 and just told me he's thinking about moving out, and you know, it's just all the feelings, all the feelings. Okay, so I'm going to take some of those Dollar Tree felt stickers, number stickers that I've been using throughout, and add that to the front there, and then that is going to be that page. And then I'm going to go ahead and just do a little bit of decorating here. Now, I pulled out some of the papers that I bought from Elle Studios that went with the collection, and I decided to go with these star stickers or star paper. I really liked how it brought the red from the photo into the layout. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark where I need to cut the paper, and then I'm going to get that cut, and then I'm going to put those both on the sides. So we'll just watch me do that real quick. So that one's going to go on that side. And then that one will go on that side. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and get those glued down. I'm just going to be using some double adhesive tape here to get those glued down. And while I do that, just want to tell you that so today when I load this video, it will be Thursday's video, which happy Christmas Eve. And Christmas is tomorrow. Tomorrow's video will be of my junk journal. And then on Monday, I will have my video for my 2001 Happy Planner. And then on Tuesday will be day 20, 24, and 25. And then Wednesday, Wednesday I will have a final flip through of the entire project done. And then on Thursday, I'm going to do another video called December Daily, What Worked, What Didn't. And I feel like most things worked because here I am on day 23 talking about doing a complete flip through on day 30. So I feel like that's successful. So I wanted to do a video that kind of said the things that I liked about my process and the things I didn't. So that's kind of the lineup for the next week. So if you are interested in any of those videos, make sure that you hit that little subscribe button. It's completely 100% free. You just have to have a profile login for YouTube, and you can click that little bell notification to get notified when my videos load. So that's the plan. So let's go back to what I'm doing. So I decided that I wanted to actually write Christmas Past on the picture, which makes me nervous because one of the things about printing your pictures on your own printer from home is that the printer's not great, so it doesn't have like high quality, glossy photos. But the printer paper I use is fairly inexpensive, so it does have a tendency to rip if you put a sticker on there. So I decided to use this little piece of plastic I had. It's a little photo template thing, and I just used that to kind of map out where I wanted to place the letters, and I really think that it looks cute, and I love how that turned out. So the other thing that I decided to do was just add a couple of stars to each side, and I'm using these Tim Holtz rub-ons, and I'm going to just put the word first on one of them, and on the other one I'm going to put 25 or 25th. So this was his first 25th. And you can also see there, or I think you can kind of see that, you'll see that there's some plastic or acetate stars on the side panels. And those are just something that I got. I think they came from Studio Calico, but I got them at Tuesday Morning. And they're basically just, you know, different size stars that are clear. And I've had them for a while and I haven't ever found a use for them because they're clear and it's kind of hard to figure out what to do with them. So I thought that it would work really well in this layout. So I grabbed my Xyron, I think that's how you say it, sticker maker, and I just ran each of those through the Xyron. And I'm just going to place them kind of randomly all over those two side panels. And you can't super see them, like you can't really see them in the picture, but I like that it gives like a different texture. Like you can see it obviously, but it's like, you know, it's really hard to see, but it does give that different like tactile feel to it. So I really like how it turned out. And now we're going to go ahead and put the project in the binder and see what it all looks like.
So like I said at the beginning, day 21 will be not done until Sunday. So I will take some pictures and add them in on Sunday. Here's day 21 up here at the top, my hot cocoa, and then day 22, the little flip out, and then the recipe and all the photos. I think that turned out really cute. And then on day 23, I will journal, and then here is this little part. Yeah, I liked that I had the stars. Christmas past, 1st, 25th. And yeah, it closes up. And that is that. That is all that I have for you today. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I will see you back here on Tuesday to finish up, and then Wednesday will be the final flip through, and then Thursday will be the December daily, what worked and what didn't work. So I hope you guys enjoyed these videos, and I will see you again next week. Bye for now.